straight bleach.
I take you on a trip through the nickel nine. I take you on a trip through the nickel nine. I take you on a trip through the nickel nine. I take you on a trip through the nickel nine.
All right, man. Let's switch gears.
All right, yeah.
Switch gears.
So it's something that I seen happen, and I was like, damn, bro, like, and I want y'all take on it. So I seen that Dana
Hamilton?
No. Dana White, the UFC president. Him and his lady, his wife, they Cabo San Lucas. And obviously they've been drinking, they've been doing their thing. She slaps him.
Yeah.
Then he slaps her, then he slap her again.
I mean, I don't know, bro.
Now let me say this.
I'm gonna tell you just my personal experience.
Hold on, let me say this first. Let me give this disclaimer. I don't think that a man should be hitting on a woman. Yeah. I don't. I'm not for domestic. I'm not for domestic violence. Like, I feel like, bro, we outpower women. You see? Right? Like, obviously God made us stronger. God made us stronger than women. Right? I feel like, bro, like, you should not be hitting on no woman, bro. Like, I was always taught, just walk away. Yeah. Right? I feel like, bro, that's why I was going back to what I said earlier. Your emotions get the best of you. And they was drinking. Like, bad combination, dog. Like, bad combination. One, yes, she started it. Like, I don't think he was going to get physical with her if she don't slap him.
But still, you having too much emotion to do that in public.
What'd you say?
You know who you are.
Emotional decisions?
Yeah, emotional decisions.
Like, you Dana White, nigga. Like, you the UFC president.
No, first off, you're a human being, bro.
No.
Yes, bro.
Bro, like, this is tough. You don't think you put yourself in his shoes, bro. You got millions, bro. You gonna fucking off to do that?
No, listen.
I'm walking away.
No, listen.
I'm walking away.
Let me tell you something, dog. In your right state of mind, yes, you're gonna walk away, dog. Like, there's no telling, bro. Like,
I'm a powerful human being, bro. Like, I'm not finna slap you. If I slap you, like, you're not eating that.
Bro, look. Let me say this again. I'm not for domestic violence, right? I feel like, bro, as a man.
What you saying? You slapping her?
No, bro. What I'm saying is, and from my own personal experience, I'm just telling you, like, yeah, bro, you like, wow.
I heard that yelling like, damn, what?
what I'm saying is, though, I wish we had a female, like, to give her perspective. But I feel like, bro, if a woman slap a man, no one gonna like, damn, bro, why'd you do that? Like, nobody's gonna look at the woman and be like, damn, why'd you do that? It's just
more like a ooh.
It's just like a ooh. It's nothing. We don't look at it and we don't condemn her and say, damn, you fucked up. Why would you like? Why would you? I do. Why would you hit him? Because now you're putting him at risk. Because just off reaction alone, if he even just like do this, oh man, why would you hit her? No one's gonna move and say, hey, you shouldn't hit him. Like, you're wrong. That society, just society alone, we're not gonna sit here and condemn her. Like, if she hits him and he walks away, this doesn't get taken nowhere. Like, nobody is condemning her and saying, damn, bro, she's out of pocket. Like, she should be taken to jail. She should go to counseling. Society would not do that. No. We honestly, no, we wouldn't even be talking about if he walked away. We're talking about his reaction to the action. We always talk about the reaction. We're not talking about the action that caused it. Yeah, but and I think society teaches men, oh, you should be able to walk away. You should be able to get hit and walk away. But in reality, bro, it's just basically kindergarten. The first thing they teach you is keep your hands to yourself. You know why? Because you don't know how that person's gonna react. Drinking is being involved. So he already not in his right state of mind, right?
Let me say this.
What you think about it?
I just saw the video though. He didn't even really hit her that hard though. It was more like a tap, bro. It was generally like he didn't come from back here with it. He was like a
no. Hey, Dana White.
It was one of these.
Dana White is a like his.
It was one of these.
No, it was not one of those.
I just saw it.
Probably the first one was.
It may have hurt her and bruised her.
Okay, but listen.
I thought he might have like really laid her down.
JJ, let me say this, bro. If this was Lamar Jackson would everybody be like, oh, he needs to be gone. He needs to be out of it? Because y'all do remember the Ray Rice incident. And then
Ray Rice slept.
Ray Rice.
What about the other dude? Not in the elevator, but Chubb.
No, it wasn't Chubb. It was Nixon.
Kareem Hunt.
Oh
yeah,
nigga, that was even worse.
But I'm just, bro. Dana White, his girl looked like 110 pounds. So he should have just slapped her. And then, she should have. Huh?
Kareem Hunt kicked the girl.
You don't even know that, Tess.
I did.
But I'm just saying, like, bro, like, I don't know, bro. Like, women, y'all gotta learn to keep y'all hands off of men.
No, Kareem Hunt.
Like, we just had this, like, kind of like incident a week ago. Remember? At the house, it was drinking. Remember? The spitting, the hitting. JJ, do you not remember?
Oh yeah, facts.
That's what I'm saying. Like, women, y'all gotta understand, and I know y'all getting emotional and stuff like that. But this right here is, bro, don't put your hands on nobody who you don't. I mean, if you put your hands on somebody, expect them to hit you back. I'm just telling you, because just let me finish. I'm trying to clean this up real quick, so I can get to where I'm gonna go. Stop putting your hands. Quit spitting on men. Quit doing this stuff to men, because you literally, like, it's a reaction. You can go like that. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Like, it's really that fast.
Yeah.
Because that was your reaction to slap me, to hit me. Yeah. So what do you?
She caused the reaction.
No, I'm saying her reaction was to slap him because she was angry and mad, right? So what do you think his action is going to be?
No.
His reaction.
Her action was to slap him because her action was to slap him. The reaction.
That's what I'm saying. If you mad and it calls you to hit him,
okay.
What do you think? Like, come on. Like, why do you think it's okay? And let me tell you something. This ain't the first time it happened. This is the first time it got caught on camera.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah.
Usually, like, bruh, if y'all indoors, if y'all home by yourself, you hit me, I hit you. We gonna argue, we gonna fight.
Yeah, like,
but we gonna, like, all right, either you gonna leave.
Like Taz said, now you didn't put this out there. He got to divorce her.
I don't think they're gonna get divorced.
He got to divorce her.
He ain't gonna divorce her.
He ain't. I said you got to, though. Because it's not that. Now you put our livelihood in danger, right, Taz? Now all this shit you was buying and all this shit, it could be in jeopardy. Because you're not, like you said, you're a face of a brand.
Yeah, 100%.
You're a face of a brand. People, this is Donald Trump.
Brand, though. It's a very violent brand, though.
But the NFL is a very violent brand.
But not as violent as UFC.
Why is it not?
But the good thing for him, he white, so they're not gonna press him.
Like, the fans aren't gonna. They're not gonna stop.
No, but look, he's white though. He's gonna be fine.
Yeah.
But he ain't gonna divorce her because he gonna end up losing more.
Yeah. They from Boston. They don't play that shit down there. Theirs a little bit different than California. Look at the laws down there. Listen. Look at the laws in there and look at the laws in there. They got married in Boston. They're not like that, bro.
Okay.
Speaking of Boston. Shout out.
Cease.
Hey, but listen, I'm just saying though, like, you're putting our livelihood at risk for what?
Bro, 100%.
That argument, baby, you should have said what you have to say and gone about your way. You feel me? That's what you said, making an emotional decision.
Yeah, 100%.
Now she's gonna, baby, I'm so sorry, I didn't mean to. Now what you think you gonna do when they get home? Ain't no cameras there. Huh? Touch up real quick.
He gonna put her in the ring. For what
look.
Thank you.
No, but I feel honestly, bro.
He gonna put her in the ring with the champion.
Come on. This is what I'm talking about. Those decisions. Now he's in the wrong. He is in the wrong because he's a man. And you just that slap didn't do anything to him. Dana White's a big dude. That slap didn't do nothing. It's probably more embarrassing than anything. But hey, you still look like the good guy. You come out if you just baby.
Yeah, but see, look. There's no backlash. Let's just say it.
But there's no backlash on her though.
Yeah, there's no backlash. Like, hey, why'd you?
Y'all don't even know her name.
No, don't. That's what I said. It's never.
And women, keep your hand off of men. Seriously.
No, seriously, bro. Because, like I said, it might be a delayed reaction or it might be an immediate reaction. But once you create that action, it's over for you, bro. You like no man wins in a domestic situation. It's just like fuck, bro. Like.
Because we had this conversation. You can't call the police on her.
Yeah, like, bro, listen.
Because you look like a coward.
You look like a coward. If a woman hit a man, he'd just be like, "Oh, I'm calling the police." Like people, I'm like, bro, you call the police.
I took a 2-piece to the face, bro. I took a 2-piece.
You
for
sure
the team.
did.
You remember I took that 2-piece?
Yeah, he sure did. Remember?
I took a 2-piece, bro. I'm gonna tell y'all the story.
I got the video on my phone.
You don't got.
You don't got the video.
My ex gave me a.
Yeah, JJ, I was like,
Hey,
bro.
I was real shocked when that shit happened, bro.
I bet you would. But did you tighten up?
I dropped to the bed, bro, and like with my I was like this, like damn, that shit stung a nigga real good. I had to like, man, I ain't gonna lie, she that shit stung a nigga, boy.
Hey, but can we give JJ a clap for not responding? Yeah, like, can we have that? Can we do? No, yeah, bro. Like, can we give JJ? Hey, no.
I didn't.
Hey, look, let me tell you something.
Hold on. Let me tell my story.
Let him tell
It was, you know, me and my ex, it was during the pandemic. We used to drink a lot or whatever, right? So
that drinking and shit. Here we go.
She snatched my phone and shit, right? And she ran to the second bathroom, like the guest bathroom, locked the door. Bro, I was about to break that motherfucking knob off.
Why did you have something in your phone?
I don't know. Cause I was real good about deleting shit, but it wouldn't have been nothing bad anyway, cause I wasn't cheating or nothing like that.
Okay.
But it's still, conversation is still like not good. You know what I mean? But I was good at like knocking shit out the park. But she could have found anything. But I was about to break that shit off break that fucking doorknob, right? But she came out, gave me my shit. But she started something, right? So I snatched her shit, and I got her boxed out, right? She trying to get it, so I'm like, back up. She damn near broke my arm trying to get her phone.
Who was you with, China?
Bro, I pushed her on the. So I give her a good shove. I gave her a slight shove.
Yeah, to clean out.
I give her a slight shove.
Oh, so you put your hands on her first.
Onto the bed. Onto the bed, right? So so I'm looking and I'm laughing, whatever. So I guess she was fed up. She was like, I was like, oh,
JJ, wait,
hey, let me tell you,
JJ, show me, like, how was it? Like,
I didn't see it coming.
Hey, let me tell you something. This is the fucked up part about it. He came to AJ's birthday party.
Yeah, no,
he showed up at AJ's birthday party.
He committed.
I like that. And so, appreciate you, JJ. You know,
I was at work the next day laughing about it. Like,
bro, JJ came in and I was like, I'm looking at JJ, I'm like, bro, what the fuck? Like,
she's loosening the nigga tooth and everything.
Yeah. Stop. Don't say that.
She has some big hands, bro.
Don't say anything else, dude.
You know you're on camera. Stop doing this shit.
Hey, this what the people want, right?
No. We letting it go, bro. 2023.
2020, bro. 2020.
Yeah, bro. But look, JJ didn't go to jail. He didn't do nothing. He walked away. You know.
But let me tell you about part 2, right?
Oh,
you're a better man than me, JJ.
Part 2.
The belt definitely would have got out.
2 months later, you know what I'm saying? She tried that shit again. I didn't hit her, but you know I had to restrain her. You feel me? I was like, it ain't gonna.
So wait, let me ask you a question.
I was ready for it this time.
Hey, so even by you just like doing this, is that bad?
Maybe shit.
No, that's not bad.
It's a sensitive ass word. I just gave her like, hey, back up, like.
Yeah, no, that's not
I'm
bad.
going through the
listen,
gram right now.
JJ,
I just finished Snapchat.
we gotta do this. Hey, we gotta do this again, but with female perspective.
Or like pull her into a room or some shit.
Nah, then you like, I was just boxing her.
So wait, so like choking and restraining, cool, but punching.
No. Choking is bad. Nigga.
Oh, choking is bad.
Yeah, choking is bad. That's
for sure.
That's cutting off the oxygen.
Yeah, nigga, like
not
if you restraining her, like hey, back up.
Like if you're just restraining
her
her
around her neck, nigga, you gotta.
What would you have done in that situation?
What, in Jenny's situation?
Yeah.
I'd have left. It wouldn't have been on part 2 because after part 1, we're done.
Yeah, I slept there and everything. Woke up, bro.
You slept her?
Slept
Oh.
there.
With her?
Did y'all have sex afterwards to kind of like cool her down?
Nah, it wasn't good. You know,
Bro,
it was a couple days before Christmas too.
Yeah, it was AJ's birthday.
Did you get her something for Christmas?
Yeah.
No, she wouldn't have got that gift.
Yeah.
I bought her
You a better man than me.
I bought her a TV. It was more for me. Cause I was low key staying there at the time. We needed a TV, bro.
Okay.
But I mean, when we broke up, she kept it, so I guess I did buy her a TV. So
you want to go get your TV?
Huh?
You want to go get your TV?
It's a wrap, bro. She gone. She not gone.
Okay, I'll let
It's
that
over.
go.
She can keep it. It's good. Bought her kids, all 4 of them.
Like, all right, JJ, we'll talk about this shit.
Hey, JJ, stop. It's a lot of people finna watch this.
It's cool, bro.
It's cool.
I gotta
like,
give my testimony.
Yeah, bro. Like,
Give my testimony.
Y'all about to read JJ book, Survivor, whoever this girl name is. He gonna come up with it.
But she used to warn me, like, before we really start fucking each other like that, like, you know, I'm gonna hit her. Like, her baby daddy didn't have to call the police on her before.
But she had 4 of them.
Huh?
4 of them.
4 of them,
Scoot
bro.
back.
2 sets of twins.
Scoot back.
JJ, did you say she warned you?
She told you know how you just chilling, you know, after sex, y'all laying up, just talking, or even prior. Oh yeah, we just telling life experiences. It's like you know, I didn't put my hands on my baby daddy before. You didn't have to call the boys. You feel me?
And you stayed with Griselda.
But at that time, we weren't. I wasn't thinking like relationship. I was just enjoying life at that time. I was like, oh shit. Sorry for that nigga, but I felt it. Like,
long did you know that Griselda Blanco was about to get you?
I really pushed her to that point, though. I put her through some shit, though.
Oh shit!
I never actually, but I put her through some.
Oh,
shit.
he's a wordplay. He's a wordplay guy.
Yeah, JJ.
I put her through some.
You're a gaslighter.
Emotional terrorist. Nah, I'm not an emotional terrorist, but
what did you just call yourself?
No, he an emotional terrorist. Because JJ used words that
you don't know,
that you either don't know, or when he used them, it's just like you're insulting me on.
Bitch, you an abomination.
JJ say shit. It's just like
it was a learning experience, bro. That's all.
Them relationships, them learning experience relationships, is something crazy.
She sent me through some shit, bro. On God.
Taz, have you ever been through something like that?
Hey, but check this out, though. I'm gonna step out, take my place. Y'all keep going. I'll be back.
All right.
I gotta go take care of something, man. I'll be back, y'all.
Here, just pause it.
No. Keep going. We got time, bro.